Welcome to Hasla Health Informational YouTube channel. Today we talk about vitamin D, why it is so crucial for your well-being and how it is being synthesized. Simply taking vitamin D supplement might not be enough to boost your vitamin D levels. So let's start by exploring the incredible functions of vitamin D in your body. Did you know that vitamin D plays a role in boosting your immunity, keeping your bones strong, and supporting brain development? But that's not all. Let's look a bit deeper into multifaceted benefits of vitamin D and how it plays a crucial role in various aspects of your health. Vitamin D acts as a modulator of the immune system, helping to regulate immune responses to pathogens and reduce inflammation. Adequate levels of vitamin D have been associated with a lower risk of infections and autoimmune diseases, making it an essential nutrient for maintaining a robust immune system. Vitamin D is an instrument in the absorption of calcium and phosphorus, two minerals vital for bone health. By promoting calcium absorption in the intestines and regulating calcium levels in the blood, vitamin D helps prevent bone loss and reduces the risk of fractures and osteoporosis, especially in older adults. Emerging research suggests that vitamin D may play a role in brain development and function. Studies have linked vitamin D deficiency during pregnancy and early childhood to an increased risk of neurodevelopmental disorders such as autism and ADHD. Additionally, vitamin D receptors are present in various areas of the brain, indicating its potential involvement in cognitive function and mood regulation. Vitamin D deficiency has been linked to an increased risk of cardiovascular diseases, including hypertension, coronary artery disease, and heart failure. Vitamin D helps regulate blood pressure, reduce inflammation in blood vessels, and improve endothelial function, all of which are crucial for maintaining heart health and preventing cardiovascular complications. Vitamin D has been shown to play a role in respiratory health by modulating immune responses in the lungs and reducing inflammation. Adequate vitamin D levels may help protect against respiratory infections such as colds, flu, and even more severe respiratory illnesses like asthma and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Vitamin D helps maintain the integrity of blood vessels and arteries by reducing inflammation and preventing the buildup of plaque, which is also called atherosclerosis. By promoting vascular health, vitamin D may lower the risk of cardiovascular events such as heart attacks and strokes. Vitamin D is essential for muscle health and function as it helps regulate calcium levels within muscle cells and supports muscle contraction and relaxation. Adequate vitamin D levels may improve muscle strength, reduce the risk of falls and fractures, and enhance overall physical performance, especially in older adults. Vitamin D levels has been studied for its potential anti-cancer properties, which research suggests that adequate vitamin D levels may reduce the risk of certain cancers, including breast, prostate, colon, and ovarian cancers. Vitamin D may exert its anti-cancer effects through various mechanisms. Some of them are regulating cell growth, apoptosis, and immune function. Now let's talk about the synthesis of vitamin D. In the body, it's a very complicated process that begins with exposure to sunlight. When ultraviolet B rays from sunlight penetrate the skin, they interact with a precursor molecule called 7-dehydrocholesterol, which is present in the skin's lower layers. This interaction triggers a chemical reaction converting 7-dehydrocholesterol into pre-vitamin D3. Now, pre-vitamin D3 is then rapidly converted into vitamin D3 called cholecalciferol through a heat-dependent process. This conversion occurs within the skin cells, primarily in the epidermis. Once formed, vitamin D3 is released into the bloodstream, where it binds to vitamin D binding protein for transport to the liver. In the liver, vitamin D3 undergoes hydroxylation, which is addition of hydroxyl group on the 25th carbon position by the enzyme 25-hydroxylase, producing 25-hydroxyvitamin D3, also known as calcidiol. This form of vitamin D is the major circulating form in the bloodstream and serves as a marker of overall vitamin D status. The next step in the synthesis pathway occurs in the kidneys, where 25-hydroxyvitamin D3 undergoes another hydroxylation reaction, producing the biologically active form of vitamin D, calcitriol. Calcitriol exerts its effect on target tissues by binding to vitamin D receptors located in various cells throughout the body. So in addition to sunlight exposure, certain minerals and vitamins play a crucial role in supporting vitamin D synthesis and activation. One of them is calcium. Adequate calcium intake is essential for the optimal functioning of vitamin D in the body. Vitamin D enhances calcium absorption in the intestines and promotes calcium deposition in bones, contributing to skeletal health and preventing conditions like osteoporosis. Magnesium is involved in the activation of vitamin D in the kidneys, where it converts 25-hydroxyvitamin D3 into its active form, calcitriol. Ensuring sufficient magnesium intake can support vitamin D metabolism and utilization. Vitamin K2 works synergistically with vitamin D to regulate calcium metabolism and prevent calcium from accumulating in soft tissues such as arteries and joints. Vitamin K2 activates proteins that help transport calcium to the bones, promoting bone health and reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. Zinc is necessary for proper functioning of enzymes involved in vitamin D metabolism and activation. It also supports immune function and helps maintain healthy skin, making it an essential nutrient for overall health. And vitamin A plays a role in the regulation of vitamin D metabolism and gene expression. It helps maintain the integrity of epithelial cells in the skin and mucous membranes, facilitating vitamin D synthesis in the skin. So by ensuring adequate intake of these essential nutrients and optimizing sun exposure, you can support the synthesis and activation of vitamin D in the body, promoting overall health and well-being. However, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet, supplementation regimen, or sun exposure habits, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medication. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Together we can spread the sunshine and empower everyone to embrace the benefits of vitamin D. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.